Want to start using Depop to buy and sell items, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Depop app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Depop, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Depop at the top. Tap Depop when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using Depop. That's all it takes to download Depop. Want to try out other buy and sell apps? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.